I'm Meredith from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to convert the portable bassinet to the infant floor seat on your Sit N Grow Playard. The Sit N Grow Playard features this unique portable bassinet topper, which can also be converted to an infant floor seat. To convert to an infant floor seat, first lift the mattress pad and locate the seat back handle. Squeeze the handle and rotate the seat up until it locks into place. Rotate the torso ring up until it locks into position. Check that the torso ring is locked by pushing down on it. Your infant floor seat is now ready to use. You can use the floor seat inside of the bassinet frame or remove it. Now I'll show you how to remove the seat portion from the bassinet frame. Simply push the base seat release buttons on both sides of the frame and lift the base out of the bassinet frame. You can now easily use the infant floor seat around your home.